Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Amazon account. As you see guys, I will show you step by step how easily you can change the password and your username on your Amazon account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Amazon account, then on the top on the right click on account. Then after opening your account, go directly to login and security section, then tap on login. As you see guys, this is your login and security section. Then if you want to change your password or current password, then go and click password, and you can edit with clicking the edit and current password and new password, and enter and confirm the new password. Or if you want to change your email address or your username, you can click on edit and easily change your personal information on your Amazon account. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.